everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. This is a requested video from one of my subscriber to show some neck designs for umbrella cut kurtis. Although for a A-line or umbrella cut kurtis, very common neck designs are round neck, V-shape or sweetheart neck patterns, but still I found few different neckline patterns which will look good on umbrella cut kurtis. So continue watching the video till the end without skipping.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.